Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks. And over the last couple of days, I've been using the transparency tool to make 3D engravings. And I've also used the interactive fill tool and never really paid much attention until the other day that I could not fill this in with black. So we go here and make this rectangle black, and then you go to Object and Order and go back a page, it won't do it. And one of the viewers or subscribers said, just use the interactive fill tool. So if you made this block black, go up to Object, Order, back a page. And that's what I've been doing wrong. Because you can do this, the transparency tool, and you can actually see it in action right here, where it's, let me take away the block. You can actually see the two circles blended together, where here they're on top of each other. So that's the difference. So the interactive fill tool, which is right here, in some versions by your smart fill tool, will do the exact same thing. It's actually really easy. Just get your interactive fill tool. First of all, you need a color, so we'll make it black. I'm gonna right click and get rid of the outline. And I'm just gonna do this. And then I'm gonna go right up here to the elliptical fountain and then move that to the center. And then of course you can adjust your darkness of it with that. And you can see that it's overshadowing because it's a transparent object. You can even, let's make a yellow box. And of course it's not gonna do this because it won't allow me, but you can kind of, I don't know why it is, but you can't, it's basically whatever layer's on top. I mean, you could go, maybe we can go here and grab that and put that to the back of the page, but then it's completely covered up. Anyway, so if you want to start doing if you want to do any 3D, maybe start using the interactive fill tool. And I still use a lot of, the contour tool on this, but it's so easy to, especially in a cylindrical fashion like this, it's a lot easier to just use the interactive fill tool. So I thank that viewer or subscriber for reminding me of that, and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.